Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold, and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each inhale, bring in calm awareness. With each exhale, let go of distraction and the urge to eat out of habit. This is your time to reconnect with your body and mind. And think about the moments when you've eaten, not because you were hungry, but because you were bored. Maybe it was reaching into the pantry at night or snacking while scrolling on your phone. Notice how boredom feels in your body. Restlessness, lack of focus, or the urge to fill time. Recognize that eating does not solve boredom. Awareness does. Now take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine yourself creating space between the feeling of boredom and the action of eating. With every inhale, say silently, I notice my feelings. With every exhale, say silently, I choose my response. You are training your mind to pause, to notice, to choose wisely. Picture yourself in a moment of boredom. Instead of eating, you pause, you breathe, you choose something else, maybe moving your body, journaling, drinking water, or simply sitting with the feeling. See yourself strong, calm, and in control. Take one final deep breath in. Hold and exhale fully. When you open your eyes, grab your journal and write on this. What are the situations where I usually eat out of boredom? And what mindful actions can I choose instead to stay aligned with my weight loss goals? Your answer will give you a roadmap to break the cycle of boredom eating. Hey, are you a busy professional man looking to drop 10 plus pounds? Take my fat burner quiz today and get your free personalized 7-day kickstart plan to start losing weight right away. Links below and in my bio.